Hello YouTubers, this is your host from GuzzTechno with another review of MIUI 11 for Poco F1 based on Android 10. This time we have MiRoom 9.11.14 beta version. It's pretty smooth based on and it's based on Android security patch level 2019 November 1st. Then one of the major changes is kernel, because last time the kernel that was included in the previous MiRoom, it caused a lag in UI for few folks, which I also read in the Telegram channel. I resolved it by flashing the outer kernel. However, this time they have already included Revolution kernel, which for me is perfect because Revolution kernel, I can vouch for it, is the smoothest kernel and gives you great battery backup. Now let's discuss new features which have been introduced. So when you go to camera, there's only one feature which has been introduced, that is of short video. This gives you a ability to shoot short videos of 12 seconds which you can post on your Instagram or various social networks. Then there are few exclusive features for MiRoom, such as always show notifications. So MIUI has been known for not showing notifications which are unread on your lock screen, and at times you may miss out on important notifications. So you can turn this on and all the unread notifications will show up on your lock screen. Under display, you have maximum brightness on call. You can, if you want it, you can enable it. This will enable maximum brightness while you're on call. There's also schedule timer which you should schedule. Then you have use new MIUI U fonts, which is actually better than the Roboto one, and I prefer this one. If you want to turn that one on, you can. Just FYI, the font is Milan Pro font, which was publicized heavily by Xiaomi in the conferences for MIUI 11. Then other exclusive features you'll find under settings, additional settings, developer options. Everyone, if you don't know how to enable developer options, then well, Google it. And here are a few other options which are exclusive to MiRoom, such as show icon shadows. This gives a really neat look to your home screen because it adds the shadow, as you can see at the bottom icons. WhatsApp, Chrome, Play Music, you can see the shadow beneath them, and it really adds that aesthetic look to the home screen. Then you have app titles in 2 lines. So some of the apps which which have long names, they will be adjusted. Their title will be shown in 2 lines. Then you have Google Feed option. And before I go to Google Feed, I'll show you the extended power menu option. So once you click on the power button, long press on your power button, you'll have the option of airplane, reboot, recovery, fast boot, shutdown, silent. Then I'm using digital well-being instead of screen time. So the benefit of digital well-being is it adds a grayscale at night. So most probably it's from 11 p.m. till 7 a.m. and also activates do not disturb, so that you are not disturbed except for your favorite contacts, which I have selected. Then you have screenshot in any app. You can take screenshot in secure apps, which I haven't come across any such app, but if you're using them, you can enable it. And as I was saying, Google Feed, see, if you scroll right, you get the option for Google Feed. As right now I'm on airplane mode, I won't be able to refresh it. However, there's one bug which is still persistent in this one, which is global dark mode. So even if the global dark mode is turned on, initially you will see apps such as Play Music, which don't support Android 10 dark mode, turn into a darker UI. However, when you reboot they come back to the same original UI. So it will be the original UI, not the dark one. And this is also the case with AOSP, wherein you can override the dark mode through developer options. It's almost like the global dark mode available on MIUI 11. However, the same bug is there as well. I tested on Evolution X, and after you reboot, the app UI returns to the normal one instead of being the dark one. If you like it, if you like the video, please subscribe. I'll post the link of the ROM, and instructions are as usual. If you are clean flashing, then wipe cache, Dalvik cache and system and data, and flash the ROM. If you are dirty flashing from previous MiRoom version, make sure in Magisk your modules are disabled and you select Magisk Core Only in the settings menu of Magisk. Reboot and again reboot to TWRP, wipe cache, Dalvik cache, system, flash the ROM, you're good to go with your data intact. That's it from me. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.